Hey guys, I wanted to do a close-up of this threader in action. So once you've gotten your thread here behind your thread guide, what you're going to do is I like to use my pointer finger to bring this down. And so I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to put my thread. I'm holding this little prong here that's kind of sticking out, and I helped put my thread around that from the left side under and then to the right. And then I'm going to push all the way down. What that does is it brings the hook through the eye of the needle. Now this part right here is kind of like a sideways C. I like to take my thread and take it on the very bottom of that C and kind of scoop it up and around so it's at the top. And I can tell I'm in the hook right now. There's a hook that went through the eye of the needle, and I know I'm underneath that hook because my thread is not coming towards me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently let my pointer finger go, and that hook is pulling the thread through the eye of the needle and to the back. What you don't want to do at this point is you don't want to grab the thread and pull it forward, because we're just going to be unthreading at the needle. You're going to grab that loop in the back and you're going to pull the thread through that way. Take your thread, put it in the little slit in the foot, put it to the back, and we're ready to sew.